In the desert heat, a shadow rises against the horizon, a shape so precise, so immovable, that even 4,000 years of storms, floods, and empires could not erase it. The Great Pyramid of Giza. To the eye, it is stone stacked upon stone. To the mind, it is a riddle that refuses to die. For centuries, humanity has gazed at these monuments and asked the same question. Were they simply tombs, or were they something more? The official story is clear. Egypt's pyramids were built as tombs for pharaohs, monuments of power and divine authority. Yet as archaeology digs deeper, a troubling silence lingers. Inside the greatest of them all, no painted walls, no treasures, no hieroglyphic inscriptions, just chambers of stone, air shafts aligned with the stars, and a precision so advanced that even modern engineers pause in awe. The story begins over 4,500 years ago, in the reign of Pharaoh Khufu. With nothing but copper chisels, stone hammers, and rope, an ancient workforce is said to have raised more than 2 million limestone blocks, some weighing over 70 tons, stacking them with such accuracy that the base is leveled to within centimeters. Even today, satellites confirm that the pyramid's sides align almost perfectly with true north, true south, east, and west. Such perfection, in an age without compasses or satellites, raises the first mystery. How did they do it? In recent decades, scientists have turned to the sky for answers. The narrow shafts in the Great Pyramid point not randomly, but toward Orion's belt and the star Sirius, celestial markers of life, death, and rebirth in the Egyptian imagination. Were these tombs, or were they cosmic machines? Monuments designed to link heaven and earth. Beneath the desert, ground-penetrating radar has revealed cavities and tunnels still unexplored, hidden voids inside the Great Pyramid. Some researchers suggest these are structural gaps. Others whisper they may be forgotten chambers, still holding relics of a lost science. And then there is the geometry. The pyramid's height, multiplied by a constant, equals the Earth's circumference with uncanny accuracy. Its dimensions echo ratios found in pi and the golden number. Coincidence or intention? Did the builders encode knowledge of the planet itself into their stone mountain? The deeper scientists dig, the more questions arise. Was ancient Egypt's engineering truly isolated genius, or was it part of an older, forgotten inheritance? Knowledge carried from civilizations erased by time, perhaps by the floods that ended the last ice age? Some geologists argue that the Sphinx shows weathering not from mere wind, but from water, suggesting it is thousands of years older than Egypt's first dynasties. If true, the pyramids may not just be tombs of pharaohs, but echoes of a story far older than history. The pyramids also challenge our understanding of scale. At Giza, every stone was cut, transported, and placed with a level of coordination that would rival modern megaprojects. Yet the ancient Egyptians left no clear blueprints, no definitive records of the methods used. Could simple ramps and ropes explain the lifting of stones weighing as much as a locomotive engine? Engineers debate endlessly, but no experiment has yet reproduced the feat at full scale. This silence fuels speculation. Some propose advanced levers, counterweights, or even lost alloys that ease the burden. Others reach further, imagining forgotten sciences of resonance, sound, or magnetism, technologies erased by time, leaving only the stone skeletons behind. And still, the pyramids endure, staring back at us with the same indifference as the stars above. Perhaps the truth is simpler. They were tombs, built with ingenuity, patience, and human will. Perhaps the mystery lies not in lost knowledge, but in underestimating what humans can achieve. And yet, the unanswered questions remain. Why such precision, such alignment, such scale for a pharaoh's resting place? Why hide mathematics, astronomy, and geometry in stone, meant only for the dead? Every block whispers a paradox. That humanity, in its earliest civilizations, may have touched truths we are only now beginning to rediscover. That the line between tomb and temple, between monument and machine, is thinner than we imagine. In the end, the pyramids refuse to give up their secrets. They are not merely tombs, nor merely symbols of power. They are puzzles carved into eternity, mirrors of a time when stone spoke, when stars guided builders' hands, when death and immortality were written not in words, but in geometry. And so, As the sun sets over the Giza Plateau, the pyramids stand as they always have, not answers but questions. Silent, patient, eternal, waiting for us to decide whether we are ready to understand.